Hi guys, as you can see it's a bit cold in here now, about minus 16 Celsius. This morning was about minus 21. It's February 11th and now it's let's say proper winter. Now let's see if we can work on the van today. It's a bit cold, but yeah, let's see. Let's go find out if we can do some work today. Today we're gonna weld the floor panel back on. I think that would be a good step right now. Yes. Not anymore frozen. Warehouse, as you can see, also. But yeah, let's empty the van and let's get started. Okay, it's now empty. Let's see if the paint is cured now, because I painted like a month ago, but it's been so cold, so I don't know if it have cured already. It's a 2-part epoxy paint, so it's pretty good stuff, but I don't know, too cold maybe. I used heat gun to heat it also when I painted, so let's see how it looks. Let's take a closer look. Yeah, I think it looks good. So let's get the angle grinder and let's clean up this. Okay, so now it looks better. No more chipping rust bits. Okay, so we have the welder in there, and we have the plate, or what do you call it, panel to the floor. So now I need to figure it out. Which way is which way? I think yeah, there's a little mark in there. Well, this started really good. As you can see, there's the welder now, and it was back of the van, but the cables were too short, so I cannot reach here, so let's give it a new try. Okay, and of course, you guys on the way. Okay. And now I need to... Okay, this works. Yeah, I need to take the paint off and then continue work, because it's so hard to weld, you know, where you have the paint in here. So metal is clean, no more paint, so we can continue welding. So the panel is back on. I welded a new plate also in there. Need to take this off, because I want to see inside of the beam. Okay, so last little weld of today. I have been working now 4 hours, and this one still to go, and then we're done for the day. And yeah, it's coming along. This is quite slow progress, but I need to weld a few spots, and then I can make the arches, or what do you call it, and then it's done. Yeah. Actually, I have a better idea what to do today. I think we're gonna try to remove the seat from inside and then check the floor under the mat, the floor mat. Let's check if we have more and more rust in there. Well, it's luck. Let's find the keys for the doors. Okay, I have the key, but let's see. Come on. Okay, I'll show you. We have some rust in here. Rust in here. This is my manual throttle. I think we can empty this cabin, because there's lots of random stuff. This is what we call in Finnish mustekala, and it means octopus. So what we have here, some tools. I think we need to get rid of this fancy cover. Stuck. We have mold in here and a little hole. Oh, there it is. Okay. First one out. Cool. Original from Cologne, Italy. Okay. 3.5 tons. Yeah, works. Okay. Let's get the 13mm wrench. No socket. Okay, now 5 bolts off. My dad tried to smoke me out. I think I don't need to get the carpet off if I just can look under it, so I can find if there's any. This is just a little bit, no. Yeah, this looks pretty good. Nothing bad. Okay. I need to save all the little parts. This is from the seat belt. I'm going to take this off. Need to see under here, and same on the other side. But yeah, let's see if we can remove these two. Look under those. Few screws. Same on the other side. Oh, open the. Oh, let's put the screws back on. So maybe we won't lose them. Okay, I need to stop this video because my camera is running very low on the battery, and but yeah, let's see you on the next video. Bye bye.